Is your Dell server struggling for storage space, or are you looking to upgrade to lightning-fast SSDs? This 20-pack of 2.5-inch hard drive caddies from Herodom might just be the solution you've been searching for. They claim to be compatible with a massive range of Dell PowerEdge servers, from the 11th all the way up to the 14th generation, and even some PowerVault models. That's a seriously broad compatibility list, and if it holds true, it makes these caddies incredibly versatile for anyone with a Dell server infrastructure. The build quality here is immediately noticeable. These aren't flimsy plastic trays. They're constructed from what feels like a sturdy alloy steel and aluminum blend. This metal construction gives them a reassuring weight and suggests they'll hold up well to repeated insertions and removals, which is crucial in a server environment where uptime is king. The promise of durability is definitely there, and it's reassuring to know your valuable SSDs will be protected within these metal frames. What's particularly impressive is the sheer quantity. 20 caddies in a pack means you can outfit a significant number of drive bays, making bulk upgrades or replacements much more economical. The inclusion of mounting screws with each caddy is a thoughtful touch, saving you from having to hunt for compatible hardware. It's these small details that really elevate a product from just functional to genuinely user-friendly. The compatibility list is extensive, covering popular models like the R720, R630, R730, and many more. This wide reach means that if you have a fleet of Dell servers, there's a high probability these caddies will slot right in without any fuss. The part number 8FKXC is also clearly stated, making it easy to cross-reference and ensure you're getting the exact right fit for your specific server model. While I haven't personally stress-tested all 20 caddies in every single compatible server model, the initial impression is overwhelmingly positive. The metal construction feels robust, the fit into the drive bays is snug and secure, and the overall package offers excellent value for money, especially considering the quantity. For anyone looking to expand their server's storage capacity with SSDs or replace aging hard drive trays, this 20-pack from Herodom presents a compelling and well-built option. It's a solid investment for keeping your Dell servers running efficiently.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.